Hi everyone. Let's see some of the important characteristic features of phylum Arthropoda. Well, phylum Arthropoda includes the largest number of animals with 9 lakh species. This is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. Well, let's see the habitat of phylum Arthropoda. Well, they occur on land, they are also present in soil, they also live in seawater, they are also present in fresh water and in the bodies of animals and plants as parasites. Let's see their body form. Well, their body form varies considerably. They have jointed legs. The body is segmented externally. There is no internal segmentation. Their body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. Now, what about their body wall? Well, the body wall is covered with a thick, tough, and non living chitinous cuticle which form the exoskeleton. Now, what about their body cavities? Well, phylum Arthropoda, their body cavity, actually they don't have true coelom, which is greatly reduced in adults and is only represented by the cavities of reproductive and excretory organs. The body cavity is a hemocoel, that means their cavity is filled with blood. What about their digestive tract? Well, it's complete. Alimentary canal consists of stomodium. It also consists of mesenteron, that is midgut, and it also consists of proctodium, that is the hindgut. What about the blood vascular system? Well, their blood vascular system is open type. That means blood does not flow in definite vessels. There are present irregular spaces which are known as lacunae or sinuses that is filled with blood. Now, what about their respiratory organs? Well, they have gills or book gills as respiratory organs in aquatic forms. They also have trachea or book lungs in terrestrial forms. Now, what about their excretory organs? Well, these are either green glands or Malpighian tubules. Well, in some forms, coxal glands are also excretory organs. Now, what about the nervous system of phylum Arthropoda? Well, they have annelidian type of nervous system present. Well, it consists of nerve ring. It's also having solid double ventral nerve cord with ganglia. Now, sensory organs which are present in phylum Arthropoda. Sensory organs like antenna and eyes are present. In many arthropods, compound eyes are also present, in which mosaic vision is developed. Some forms also have statocyst. Statocyst is a balancing organ. Well, in phylum Arthropoda, there is no cilia present, and important feature of phylum Arthropoda is that there is totally or complete absence of cilia. Now, what about their endocrine glands? Well, endocrine glands are present in them, and endocrine glands secrete hormones. In certain arthropods, such as insects, actually secrete pheromones, and these are later they are actually chemicals which help in communication among insects. Some pheromones also act as sex attractants. Now, what about sexes? Well, sexes are separate, they are dioecious, and they also show sexual dimorphism. Okay. Now, what about their development? Well, fertilization is usually internal in phylum Arthropoda insects. They are mostly oviparous, means they lay egg. Development may be direct or it may be indirect. Well, if they have indirect development, then there is metamorphosis also. What about the parental care? Well, it's often seen in many arthropods, means parental care is seen in many arthropods. What about the parthenogenesis? Well, let me tell you about parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is the development of an egg into complete individual without fertilization by a sperm. And parthenogenesis is seen in certain insects also, which are belonging to phylum Arthropoda. For example, we have male honeybee, or they are also known as drones. They are formed by parthenogenesis. Okay. Now let's discuss some economically important insects also. We have certain economically insects present which belong to phylum Arthropoda. For example, we have apis. Apis is also known as honeybee. We have bombyx. They are also known as silk worm. We have lacifer. They are also known as lag insect. We also have certain vectors of disease. For example, we have anopheles. Anopheles carries plasmodium species and that causes malaria in humans. We also have culex and aedes also. Gregarious pest that is known as Leucosta or Leucos. This Leucosta also belong to phylum Arthropoda. Now let us see some unique features of phylum Arthropoda which you must learn, which you must remember also. Okay, so what were the unique features which are present in phylum Arthropoda insects? The first feature is they have jointed appendages. Okay, their appendages are having joints. Second is they have thick exoskeleton present. Third one is they have compound eyes present. Fourth one is they have hemocoel. Fifth one is they have antennary glands. They have Malpighian tubules. They also have coxal glands for excretion and osmoregulation. Sixth one is they have trachea, they have gills, they have book gills, and they have book lungs as respiratory organs. And they also secrete pheromones. Certain species of or certain insects of phylum Arthropoda secrete pheromones that help them in communication. Well, these were some of the important characteristic features of phylum Arthropoda. Hope you have liked our video. Thank you very much, everyone.